Hello, in this problem we're going to solve this parametric equation. And this parametric equation is a set of equations that involves more than one dependent variable, right? So in order for us to solve this, we need to apply the formula for parametric. And that formula states that dy over dx is equal to dy over dt dot dt over dx. Or in some cases, you can just say dy over dx or dy over dt dot 1 over, what's the next thing we have? Dx over dt. So either ways, it's still okay. So what do we do at this point? We have x, and the value assigned to x is 8t. So you can say that when x is equal to 8t, by the time you differentiate x with respect to t, the result you have is just 8. Again, we have y to be equal to 40t minus 16t squared. And we divide this y, or differentiate this y rather, with respect to t. Alright? We differentiate this y with respect to t. Here we have 40. The differentiation of this would be 2 multiplied by 16, that is 32. Right? 32t. Okay? So that's all you just need to do. So the next point is to substitute these parameters into this equation. Don't worry about this initial condition, initial value problem. We're going to treat it after we must have differentiated this y with respect to x. So at this point, dy over the x will be equals, dy over the x will be equal to dy over dt dot dt over the x. So let's substitute in these parameters into the expression. So what is dy over dt? dy over dt is 40 minus 32t. All right, dot, what is dt over the x? Here we're having the x over dt, not dt over the x. So that means if we turn this, it means here is over 1. That means if you take this dt up and bring in this dt, dx down, it means this also will go up and 8 comes down. So we have 1 over 8 there. So if this multiplies by 1, you have dy over the x to be equal to, this multiplies by this, we have 40 minus 32t divided by 8. So that is how we're going to keep it. So but looking at this 8, 40 and 32, 8 is divisible. It can go into these two parameters. Is that true? All right, let's check it out. dy over the x will be equal to 8 into 40, that will be 5, minus 8 into 32, that will be 4. And so we have 40. And this is the value for dy over the x. But notice it comes with an initial value problem. When t is equal to 2, meaning that we have to substitute the value of 2 into t. So at this point, you have dy over the x to be equal to 5 minus 4 into 2. And this will give us 5 minus 4 times 2, that is 8. Therefore, dy over the x will be equal to 5 minus 8 will give minus 3. And this is the result for this problem. I hope this makes a lot of sense to you. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button, share this video if it interests you, and also like this video. And make sure you come back to watch the next video. Thank you, and I wish to see you in the next video. Peace.